Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. Release what no longer serves you to make room for what inspires you. Not everyone you lose is a loss. Sometimes you have to let go of the life you plan to embrace the life that's waiting for you. The best view comes after the hardest climb. The greatest enemy of progress is not your competition but your false friends. The more you complicate things, the more reasons you'll find to worry. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. As we grow, our challenges grow, but so do our strengths. Joy and sorrow are inseparable, together they come, and when one sits alone with you at your board, remember that the other is asleep upon your bed. Work on yourself more than you do on your job. Don't be afraid of change, it's leading you to a new beginning. The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Change is the law of life. And those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. The oak fought the wind and was broken, the willow bent when it must and survived. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. Trust is like a mirror. Once it's broken, you can never look at it the same way again. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Don't let the doubts of others dim your light. Shine bright and prove them wrong. Don't let the fear of what could happen make nothing happen. Success is not about avoiding failure but about learning from it, adapting, and moving forward. The sun always shines above the clouds. Comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on being the best version of yourself. Focus on what's important and let go of the rest. Some people are like clouds. When they disappear, it's a brighter day. Sorrow prepares you for joy. It violently sweeps everything out of your house so that new joy can find space to enter.